Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the project on Canva apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your Canva apps and after this you can click on the project at the bottom. Click on it. And then in here you just click on the project that you want to delete. In here I wanna delete the project, so you just click on a three dots icon, this one, click on it. And after this, in here you just click on move trash, click on it. And then now you just click on a three lines icon at the bottom, and then click on the trash. And after this you can click on three dots again in here, click delete permanent, click delete permanent, and finish. How to delete the project on Canva apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.